It's Saturday, October 21st, 2023, and we are at the Cincinnati Scale Modelers Model Contest in Batavia, Ohio. As you can see, this isn't just a normal place. It's a Tri-State Warbird Museum, which brings a neat ambience to this model contest because, as you can see, the model contest is all amongst the airplanes, and through that room there is the swap meet, and there's a lot of airplanes in the swap meet room too, which is really cool. Well, let's get down there and check out some models in the swap meet.
Yeah, he's the one that makes the tank and paper. Yeah, no, that's cool.
I think he's seen it before. I think we made it to the Auto Hobby Club.
Once. Yeah.
So.
But he wasn't there.
I don't know. I think
No,
I
he wasn't there.
All right, if you say so.
He doesn't come to car. No, I don't.
Okay. We might have been at one of those car shows. I think we met once at one of the model shows.
I think we did. Maybe. It might be.
I can't remember where.
I go to so many. I go there. You want to go out and get that? I'll get it from you. I tell you what. I'm parked 40 acres away. Yeah. I tell you what. I'll go. When you get ready to leave, let me know. Well, because I've got a couple.
I just think it's incredible how all these models, and you can look so good, but it's that was, for me, some of these
You did the vacuum
yeah, it is just next level. Oh, it's crazy. But and then of course you know the delivery.
During the first 6 months of the war, if not 8 months of the war, it was close to slow, but it's not as bad. It's going to take
You guys have a good show last night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I tell you, you want to move your car?
Well, the judges meeting will be at 12 noon in the auditorium, which is like a really small room in the main building there. You're going to follow the pizza over there. We're going to have pizza for all the judges. If you're interested in judging, any assistance is greatly appreciated. Please come to the front over here, where this guy is making the very annoying announcements. Also, we have a food truck just pulled up right on the ramp right behind us, and they're going to start serving food just about 11:30, and they expect to be here until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 11:30 to 2, we'll start catching a whiff of that. We'll be open here at the vendor room. The vendor room is sold out. Everyone's getting some pretty good deals right now. We hope you have a chance to take advantage of it and look at the contest table. Just looks amazing today. Also, if you weren't aware, we are very fortunate. Our B-25, where did it go? Was it stolen? We don't know. It's out here somewhere. It's actually right behind us on the connector on the ramp. And the reason we have it out there is
This is a college, right?
It's a very nice little pass. And its mission today is going to do a memorial flyover for someone who's passed away who's in the Wartburg movement. So that's right at 4 o'clock. It'll be firing up right behind us on the ramp. In case you've never been here before, you are at the Claremont County. A perfect day for a model show. Welcome aboard. We have late breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The raffle, which is located between the hangars. You're in hangar 1 right now. To go to hangar 2 to spend all your money, you have to pass the raffle table. The first draw in that raffle is 11.
Their work?
No, just building this one. Just bringing something to kill some time while I'm selling stuff. So
Oh, there you go.
It's the old It'll Larry kit, which is the very old SE kit, but add more detail. So
Yeah.
So thanks,
That'll work. What's up, Travis?
Mr. T. How are you, sir?
Mr. T. You need a gold chain if you're gonna be Mr. T.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you a gold chain. How's that? Don't think I won't. I'm gonna find the biggest, gaudiest toy gold chain I can find.
Plastic one, fake plastic.
And I'm gonna tell the club you're gonna be Mr. T from now on.
Good are you? The guy who hand carved. Yeah, I was thinking about that the other day. That was awesome. Still can't go. So expensive. Yes. A little bit. I got a couple of armors here I'm going to enter the show.
King Tiger, $20. Sounds a little too good to be true.
Depends on. Pretty good. They are. They're mixed.
We've been selling these weathering magazines for $7. He's almost sold out. I think he had 20 of them.
No, they were extra.
It's a good mag. If you guys ain't subscribed, you gotta subscribe to it. The weathering magazine. How many kits you guys got for the raffle?
Everything that's sitting on this table.
How many you got? You got a bunch of them.
On 3 tables. On the
Yeah.
3 tables, I should say. 3 drawings.
Big raffle.
Well, you gotta have some good stuff, and you gotta have a lot of stuff to get people interested.
Oh yeah.
Buy a ticket.
Got a nice turnout for the raffle.
Some stuff's brand new. Some stuff maybe got donated. Some
Yeah.
stuff club members we buy and kind of put in there to make sure there's good stuff in there to get the people interested.
Definitely a good raffle. And you got a choice to put it in: armor, cars, super, aircraft, or miss. Nice.
Super's the big ticket. Super ticket.
The swap meet's in one of the hangars, and they got the hangar door open that's big enough to run airplanes in and out. Super cool.
I was looking at this
My buddy Ty. 5? Yeah.
Been eyeballing these kits here. $45. Get the wooden box and everything. I got one. I ended up picking one up. I don't know if I need another one or not. It's a good deal though.
It's funny because it's something I would like to do again, but I would definitely be much more careful than I was.
It's interesting too. I'm checking that out.
I'm sure I can spend 10 grand on that. Would be cool. Well, there's Rich gun, next bid 21. Cobras, next bid 14.
Yeah, I think you're right. I don't think that's that one.
I just think this kid's
Here's another view of the swap meet and how they got the hangar door open. It's really neat ambience at this show, the way they do it. The model contest in the other room with airplanes and real airplanes, and then you got the swap meet here with real airplanes.
Is that guy down there with the sunglasses?
Yeah, I'd do 50.
And the sweater.
I'd do 50.
Well, that's it.
Well, that's a good deal on that one. I was looking at that earlier.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
Yep,
That's one of my favorites.
with all the extras in it.
Yeah.
Can't beat that.
I like the figures that come with it too. That little poser.
Yeah.
It's got the guy hunkering down. Some guy's pointing something out.
No problem, buddy. Put these in my box. Hey, look at that thing. It's Vietnam. That landing craft. That is cool.
You're selling them.
Oh, yeah.
What's their price to sell?
That's the name of it.
I know it.
It's like the books, man. I got good deals. Them books right there are 30 bucks.
Yep.
I paid for 3 books.
Yep.
That's $30 to go buy one of them things.
I know it.
That book on the Thompson, there's the history of the Thompson, the American Thunder.
Yeah.
That's all. What? Where's he at now?
It's that guy down there, the younger guy in this gray
What?
sweat. The younger guy in the gray sweatshirt. At the end. See him down there? Got kind of a
Third guy on the right?
straight down there in the gray sweatshirt.
Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry about that. What you got on your Grex airbrushes?
Those are 190
Okay. Thank you.
for that pistol trigger.
Yeah. Well, these are nice. I like using these. What do you got on your cans?
10 bucks.
Okay. Yeah, they're definitely a good product. You guys sell a lot of them?
Yeah, the blacks and whites.
Yeah.
They go quick.
Yep.
Yeah.